This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Tricia Smigel. Beautiful updated home. The updated kitchen has high-end cabinets, sink, countertop, stainless steel appliances and tile flooring. Desired open floor plan. Upgrades include new sliding back door and windows with a lifetime warranty, install 2017, HVAC 2018, a newer roof, new carpet in every bedroom. Updated bathroom sinks, cabinets and fixtures. Wood floor staircase all the way to the upstairs hallway and loft. New tile in the laundry room and washer-dryer conveys. Newly 2-car garage. A tankless water heater. New fence. Make this your home today. For more information, review the details below.